Have you ever wondered how to effectively count your stock in Engonus? Engonus, an industrial-grade IoT hardware-compatible product-as-a-service solution, is here to help with its ingenious counter feature. Found under the Products tab in the left-hand sidebar, this feature lets you tally your stock by warehouses, brands, and categories. It also gives you the flexibility to perform partial and total counts, generating a handy CSV file for further manipulation. Sounds simple enough, right? Let's move on to how to actually use this feature. Getting to the counter feature is as easy as a few clicks. From the main page, navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand sidebar. Spot the counter option, give it a click, and just like that, you're in the main view of the counter feature. The main view might seem a little overwhelming at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. Here you'll find every count you've conducted, neatly organized into columns for count reference, warehouse, category, brand, type, and status. Each column gives you a glance into your stock counting progress. And see that small icon there? That's your ticket to downloading the count in CSV format, perfect for further manipulation. Now that we've got the main view down, let's dive into creating a new count. Creating a new count is just as easy as accessing the counter feature. To get started, click on the New Count button located in the upper left corner. A pop-up window will appear. From here, select the warehouse you're counting for, and choose between a complete or partial count. If you're doing a partial count, specify the category and brand you want to focus on. After clicking Submit, you'll be redirected to the main view where your new count awaits. And voila! You've just created a new count. It's as simple as that. So, that's how you use the counter feature in Engonus. It's simple. Access the feature, understand the main view, create your count, and voila! An efficient way to manage your stock. Thank you for watching. Remember, with Engonus, keeping track of your stock has never been easier.